back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this indoor hydroponics system. I actually have one of these and I love it, so I'm getting another one. I'm actually going to be growing some herbs in one and some peppers like jalapenos, serranos, things like that in this one, because me and my husband love spicy food. So I figured instead of growing it outside, I could just grow them inside. And I know that they work good because I already had one and I grew cilantro in it. So that's not an issue with me. But this is how it comes packaged. As you can see, you have your hydroponic garden kit. It has your plug-in. These are the little pods that you actually grow stuff in. This is to create high humidity, and then you have your A and B solution, which is to give the water nutrients to help your plant grow. But this is how it comes in box. Let me go ahead and turn my camera down a little bit. Okay, so this is how it comes. You have your user manual right here. It's super easy to grow stuff hydroponically. Like a lot of my plants in my house are hydro. But I just want to grow some peppers. But this is great if you have issues with like gophers or anything like that destroying your stuff. This is a good option to go. This is how it comes. So that's pretty much everything to it. Everything's going to be in the inside of this. Let me go ahead and put this down a little bit more. This thing that comes up, and you can lift it up depending on how big your plants get. It goes pretty good, like a pretty good size up. And that'll just keep all the plants kind of contained. My cilantro did grow like this long. I should have been trimming it, but I wasn't because I like to pick off of it. And then this part comes up, and that's where you're going to find all your pieces at. So these are little growing pods. You can actually buy more of these off Amazon if you like, when you want to do more. And then these right here, you could usually reuse these, but you can also buy those off Amazon as well. But it does come with enough to fill these up. And you have your little charger, and you have your A and B solution. And what you want to do is you want to fill these up with water, shake it really well. It tells you how much of each to put. They have like just different nutrients that your plants need in order to grow, and you only put so much depending on how much water you put in it. You only put so much of the solution, like a couple capfuls into this, and then you're good to go. But it just depends on what exactly you're growing and what your plant's needs are. So that's kind of whatever. It has a pump that actually gives your plants oxygen, which they need in order to grow, which is really nice. And then you're just gonna plug this back over here. This is the plug-in. I don't have my peppers yet, so I'm not gonna be using this today. And anyways, even if I did, you're not gonna be able to see them grow because it's gonna take a couple months for it to grow. So this is kind of like an unboxing and just showing you how it works. So of course you're gonna plug that in, fill this up with water. Then you're gonna get your seeds. You're gonna grab one of these, put it in there, put your seed down in that hole. And then after this is filled with water, you're gonna put this on right here. And you can actually just take this part off right here if you need to add more water, so you're not constantly having to move your plants around. So that's how you do it when it's bigger. So once your seed's in there, you're gonna put that down. Then you're going to get one of these, which helps create high humidity so that your seed will germinate. And you just put that over it, and then you turn on your lights, which I'll show you right now. Like I said, I'm not going to be putting this together today because I don't have my seeds yet, and it's going to take a while to grow. I need to pick me up some seeds. So plug it in, and your buttons are on the top. You can actually already hear the pump on. Let me turn off the pump. So you can go 12 to 12, 14 to 10, or 16 to 8. And then that's off. So just depending on how much sun they actually need, how big the plant is, that's what you'll choose right there. Let me see what the directions say. Mode on for 12 hours and off for 12 hours. So yeah, so it's on for 12 hours, off for 12 hours. Mode B is on for 14 hours, off for 10 hours. And mode C is on for 16 hours and off for 8 hours. So that's that's pretty much the timer on it. So you just pick out which one you want and it'll come on. To set the timer cycle, press and hold the sun button for 3 seconds. So if, let's say I want to do 12 to 12, I'll hold it for 3 seconds and it's all blinking. So right now it'll be set to that. So from now on out, I wouldn't have to keep turning it on every single day. All you want to do is make sure that you're checking the water, which you can see right here how full it is, because if it runs out of water, your plant's going to die. You want to make sure that it's constantly getting the water it needs. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.